So hi guys, this is the last project that I've done. I built in my garage just to roll the pool cover, and right now it's fully automated. I'm gonna explain how did I use this remote control in order to activate the two actions in order to uh, pick up and deploy the pool cover. And it's just as simply as touching a button and start rolling. I'll show you. Here it is. No effort. Just plug it in to 120 AC and carry on. And all I do is keep pressing the button in the remote. And if I depress, it'll stop. Number 3 and 4. Those are the channels that are commanding this device. I think anybody could build it. I was looking to buy a factory one, but it was too much money. So I said, this is a good project that I could do at home and stay out of trouble. There it is. Now the wife is very happy because she doesn't have to wrestle with it like before by hand. So that's it. If I want to deploy, then I go back. Let's see how we built this.
This is the remote control that I'm gonna be modifying to adapt it to the roller back and forth. I have 4 channels with this. It's capable for 4 different commands. This is the harness, and I'll be wiring all this up. I'm gonna have to utilize some relays. I just finished wiring the remote control. I have it connected. It's all working properly. I just made a small mistake because this remote comes with two switches that will be on and off permanently unless you press the button twice. But I basically wanted it like a momentary switch. So when I press the button, it keeps running until I depress the button. And now I just had to change a couple wires there, and everything is working good. So this is how it works. 3 forward until I release the button, then I'll stop, then I go back with number 4. Now I'm gonna disassemble everything. I'm gonna give this thing a nice paint job just to protect it against the weather. Okay, so I think I finally assemble the main unit. This is the drive unit that you've seen me build. But to better understand, I'm gonna walk you through and explain to you every of the components. And if you look at here, this is the main hoist that at the beginning I disassembled and got it off the box. I added this sprocket, which it reduces 3 to 1 onto the main sprocket that would be driving the shaft of the roller. Not only that, now we added the controls here, the electronic controls. This is the capacitor that comes with it. I just took it all apart and repositioned everything. These relays, I got them on Amazon aftermarket. These are the 2 relays that are basically taking care of the job that the switch used to do before. And therefore, they're controlled by the remote control unit that, with the help of this little guy here, I could make it work, wind and rewind, if you could see here. And it's all momentary action. So when I release it, it will stop. Then I press the other one, I could rewind the cover, and everything works beautiful so far. Something that I forgot about, this is the 12 volt DC current module that I added in order to feed my relays over here, because their coils are 12 volt DC, and also that unit will feed my remote control.